We've heard a lot about how the University of Saskatchewan is working to develop a vaccine, but technology at the Saskatoon campus is also helping with other types of COVID-19 research. The Canadian light source synchrotron is involved in numerous projects related to the virus. Alicia Bridges has been working on this story. She joins me in Saskatoon. Alicia, how is the synchrotron being used for COVID-19 research?
So the Canadian light source uses beams of electrons traveling at a rapid speed to create a very bright light, and that's millions of times brighter than the light of the sun. And researchers can use that light to look inside COVID-19, the molecules that make up the virus. One project, or proposed project, will look at the droplets containing the virus and how they travel in the air. Take a listen.
We know that the droplets, when we come out of our mouth, they travel a certain distance, but we don't know exactly the dynamics of them. We don't know how far they travel, and we don't know how fast they travel, and also we don't know how their sizes changes over the distance.
So the synchrotron can create a type of movie using a lot of images, hundreds of images taken at a very high frame rate. But it also provides imaging that is more detailed than most other technologies could provide.
So how does that help researchers?
Yeah, so for cases like the research we were just talking about, that could help shape public policy, how far we need to stand apart from each other when we're physically distancing. But it's also helping researchers who are developing treatments, including one at the University of Alberta.
We've been working on antivirals to treat COVID-19. And so by sending our samples to the Canadian light source, we're able to image how the drug sits in the active site pocket of the protein associated with COVID-19. And this allows us to see how the drug is working, and it helps us to develop more effective drugs.
And that drug is heading towards human clinical trials right now. I'm told that without the imaging from Saskatchewan, it might have taken much longer. Sam?
Interesting stuff. Thanks, Alicia.